I didn't had the exact uh, tracking details or anything like that, but I would like to believe that this is NF Audio NA3. There is no plus model as of now for the NA3. This is priced at $70 and should be a very good competition to the Fio FD3. I do not own single DD based IEMs in this price range. There are a couple of IEMs that are in the hundred, near the $100 region, but nothing is exactly priced under 100. But I have a bit of expectation from NF Audio. They have performed better than their asking prices with the previous cheaper IEMs. So I'm expecting a similar kind of performance here. NF Audio NA3 Essential. So there is a single dynamic driver, double cavity dynamic driver, 0.8 mm cable. Okay, high strength polymer polycarbonate shell, ergonomic design and stuff. Leather bag inside. Okay, so this is fairly lightweight. I'm not expecting anything fancy here either because it is cheap. You guys can see this. There is nothing exactly fancy in here. So do not expect a lot when you are not paying a lot. Most of these brands who make expensive IEMs too like to differentiate the cheaper and more expensive IEMs like this. So this is a common kind of practice from them. Open. How does anyone open? Okay, so this looks nice. There's a CD kind of structure here. Compact disc looks like a compact disc, but it should not be. So this is not exactly great from anyone. This is kind of confusing where to take the stuff out, what to do. Okay, so that's come on, come out. Okay, so we are getting QDC type connectors here. This is good. I do not like this. I kind of like this because they fit some KZ cables too, and this is reasonably good. There are no issues with this kind of two pin arrangement. There is a leather case. This is not leather case. This is okay. White can get dirty easily in any case, but this cable looks reasonably good. I do not find this cable to be bad or anything like that. Feels reasonably supple. You guys can see there is a bit of memory, no doubt about that, but is not very memory prone either. So should be good for this one. This one priced at $80 or $70, something like that. So this should not be a thing to bother about. Most of the people are still using 3.5 mm, so no issues there at all. You guys can see this is not a very uh, bothering kind of cable. This is reasonably supple, I'll have to say. Fairly supple, no issues there. So let me take the set of tips out. This is the set of tips we are getting. Balanced ear tips, atmosphere ear tips. I'll go with the atmosphere because I prefer to have bigger stage than more bass, so I'll stick to that. Given that this is a single DD, I'm already expecting some bassy bassy output from this. Still, fingers crossed. I hope these are not very bassy and have good amount of details. I'm not exactly sure what are the who are the target audience here. Let's have a look if we can read something here. NA3 essential. Okay, essential L. Okay, looks nice. Looks good to me really. This black and white color scheme is very good. Looks really nice. There are no issues there. So this is it. This is the unboxing of NF Audio NA3. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.